Hey everybody in YouTube land, Live World of Trains here. Hey, I want to thank all my subscribers who have found my channel over the last couple of years and have enjoyed my videos. I want to thank you for that. Hey, and if you want to help new people who haven't found my channel to find it and enjoy my videos like you have, every time you watch one of my videos, give it a thumbs up. That's right. When you give my videos a thumbs up, it helps new rail fans find my channel and enjoy the videos the same way you have the last couple of years. So I want to thank you for that in advance. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go get some train videos right now. Hey everybody, it's Wide World of Trains here. I'm at the CSX and Norfolk Southern tracks. Oh, sounds like we got a train coming. I noticed something unusual over here on the Norfolk Southern tracks. What the heck is this blue paint for? Looks like it's painted on the ties and on the rails, sides of the rails. Let's walk over to the crossing, probably get a better look at it while staying on public property, of course. Yep, it's on the tie and the sides of the rail. And I hear a horn. Something's coming. Yeah, check that out. Why would they paint that blue and all the way across? Got any ideas? Let me know in the comments. Go to the other side of the track. Oh wow, you know what I just noticed? About another 50 foot down, same thing. Blue paint. Very unusual. Looks like there's something on the tie. Like a metal bar or something. Like I said, you got any ideas what that is? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think. Alright, we better get over here to the NS or to the CSX tracks. I hear a train coming over there.
Equipment defect detector. Point 4. Track 2. No defect. No defect. Total axle 4. 1, 2. D is 5. End of transmission.
symbol on that train is CSX Q158. That train starts out in North Baltimore, Ohio, and it ends and terminates, however you want to put it, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, heading east. On this Monday, October 18th, 2021, from Wide World of Trains on you know where. Well, I guess I'll say it. YouTube. Bah. The reason I turn the camera back and forth is I'm filming towards the sun. So when the double stacks are going by, they block the sun so you can see it pretty good. But when the single stacks or the bare tables go by, I turn the camera the other way away from the sun. So that's why we do that. Pretty cool with the DPU, all right.
I-15818 to clear 42 CSX 3290 out.
There he is, 2 miles away. Hopefully we can see a few more trains before it gets dark. As everybody knows, it gets darker earlier every day, so we got to see as many trains as we can, and less daylight to see it every day. So we got to squeeze more in. Painted CSX rebuilds. That was pretty cool right there. That was pretty awesome, wasn't it? 2 engines, freshly rebuilt CM44AH units. I don't think I've ever seen just a pair of those as the power on a train. Symbol is CSX Q367. Train starts out in Selkirk, New York, terminates at the clearing yard, Chicago, Illinois. On this Monday, October 18th, 2021, from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Roll it. Just shut the camera off after the 367 went by, and we have 3 deer going across the tracks. There's mother deer and a pair of twin baby deer. They waited for the train to go by. And people say deer are dumb. Pretty smart to me that they waited. I wish the sun was on the other side. Kind of hard to get a focus in on these. Yeah, he's looking at us. So we can get a better angle. There's a car coming, so they went the other way. Gotta keep moving because there's stuff in my view, like the railroad gate. Oh, look out. Oh, right in front. Front of that car, and there they go off into the woods. Yes, a couple of cabooses. Whoa, couple old cabooses. Look at that. Are you kidding me? 2 chassis cabooses. No way.